yourselves because all of you here will be global ambassadors someday. Do you believe in that? Do you believe you'll be a global ambassador? Why? Because it has no time frame. Some of you will be fast, some of you will be slow, but the thing is, there's no time frame. You will all be global ambassador. That's according to your speed. In the Philippines, some of my colleagues, I did the business part-time. It's very hard for me because I've been working, I have no time. I've been working at a major fast food chain in the Philippines. And I have high position in there. The name of the Philippines, the fast food chain is Greenwich. And I have a very high position. That's why my time is really important. I'm a janitor in Greenwich. So I have no time, but because I did the business seriously, even if you do it part-time, but you do it seriously, you will become successful.
That's right.
Do you agree?
Yes.
That's why in a matter of 1 year and 2 months, I became a global ambassador. But some of my friends in the Philippines, my business partners, made it in just 6 months. Some made it in just 3 months. I believe in Nigeria, a lot of you will beat the record in the Philippines. Right? Because the market here is much more huge. Do you agree?
Yes.
And you are much more huge than us. So you will consume a lot more products. Agree?
Yeah.
We're tall. We're built. That's it. But now I'm getting fatter already. I ate a lot of swallows. So I need to drink Slim drink. But one of the good things about being a global ambassador is there are a lot of incentives. Who wants to travel abroad for free? For free, don't worry, you don't have to pay. And you will travel not alone, but you will travel with us. We'll take your pictures. Isn't that great? Now, I'm done. I'll just give you tips how to start the business right. Do you want tips? Okay, guys, who are interested with the product? Can I see raise your hands? Interested with the product? Wants to try the product? Please raise your hands. Please, interested with the product. Who are interested with the marketing plan? Can I see raise your hands? Okay? Who are interested with me? Oh, a guy! Oh no! Just joking. Okay. If you're interested in the marketing plan, if you're interested in the product, question is, who wants to join A Global? Can I see raise of hands? Please clap our hands for them. Not all of you raised their hands. Some of you did this. Who wants the product? Me. Who wants the marketing plan? Me. Who will join? Not me. Why? To become successful, you need to get rid of these two things. What is that? Fear and doubts. No one becomes successful out of fear, right? And no one becomes successful because of doubt. But all people who became successful are those who tried. Do you agree? It's just like a food. It's just like swallow. At first, it kind of looks strange for me. But when I tasted it, and it tastes good. Spicy, I like spicy. I swallowed all of it. Yeah. But if it's not good, you can put it away. Right?
Yeah.
The best thing is that you've tried. Because the thing that is much more worse than failure is not trying.
That's right.
Because as long as you try, you're not failing, right? You're on your way to success. And no one becomes poor by just investing 41,188 naira. Do you agree?
Yes.
No one gets poor with that investment, but a lot of people became millionaires because of that investment. Can you please clap your hands? Now, before we leave, I want to give you some suggestions. I want to give you a suggestion. In network marketing, positioning, or in business, excuse me, please don't leave here. I'll give you a very important suggestion. In business, the more you invest, the more you earn, right? In business, it's not about, in business, it's not just about the investment. It's investing at the right time. Do you agree? You're at the perfect time. You're in the pioneering stage. So you need to invest the best investment as soon as possible. What is that? You know, if you want to, the maximum investment that you can get is 7 accounts. Can you see this? Okay, can I borrow your name? Brother, what's your name? What? Samson, the strong one, Samson. Samson alone can buy 7 stocks. Can you understand? Samson 1, Samson 2, Samson 3, Samson 4, Samson 5, Samson 6, and Samson 7. I have a combination here. Now, if Samson buys 7 accounts, how much will he pay? He will pay 41,800 times 7. How much is that? Okay? That is 293,216 naira. You know, Samson, you can just buy 7 accounts, not more than 7 accounts. It's prohibited with the money. Okay? So the maximum is just 7. So if you buy 7 accounts, you will make this amount, but your products will multiply as well. So you will receive products worth of 350,084 naira. And the great thing is, you will already have an overnight income. Meaning, you're not doing anything yet, and you've already earned cash. How? Because before inviting other people, you invited yourself first. Agree? And when you invite yourself, you reject yourself. Of course, you will join yourself. You cannot reject yourself, right? So you've invited, you've invited Samsung 2, Samsung 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you earn $11 each, right? $11, $11, $11, $11. So in the rest of pera, you earn $66. Can you follow? And the top head, Samsung 1, have earned already 3 pairs. So that is $99. And Samsung 2 have earned 1 pair. Samsung 3 had earned 1 pair already. So total all in all, $165 or $231 US. So you just invested 250,000 naira. Your products is worth 350,000, and you already have an earning of 36,267 naira in cash, and you're not doing anything yet. Now, how to maximize your 7 accounts? If you want to maximize this, Mr. Samson, you just need to invite 8 contacts. Do you have 8 friends? There are 200 million Nigerians, right? And you just need 8 to maximize these 7 accounts. You know, if you've invited 8 and they have expanded already in a matter of months or years, the potential income of 7 accounts is 82,890 times 7. It is equals to 1.2 million naira per day. That's the potential income if you will get 7 accounts. Now,